I'm the Kug. You know, Donkey Kug. Famous cousin of Donkey King. I have 15 coins? I don't even know. Splice me main brace, it's the monkeys. I hope yours got enough booty this time, or you'll walk the plank. I'll just walk away. How about that? All flights cleared, dudes. Choose and cruise. We'll pay for it, so it's free from now on. And then just go right back in. The Web Woods. Ooh. I know where the Donkey Kong coin is on this level. It's at the very end. On the flagpole. And it goes by very quickly. It's no good. Gotta do the what? What? Used. Hello. Whatever. Alright, we got a K, we got a coin, we got some of these guys, you know. Ooh, we got it. Secret. Clearly there's something up there. Oh, okay, just a different way up there. Alright. Time to turn into Squitter. Woo! Everybody's favorite spider friend. Well, okay, those little tiny jumping spiders, probably everyone's favorite spider friend. But Squitter is up there. He's got sneakers on. How could you not like that? I mean, if you had arachnophobia, that's how you could not like that. Which is not your fault, and that's okay. Ugh. But if you don't have arachnophobia, then I'm gonna totally judge you if you don't like squid. And there's nothing you can do about it except come to the Twitch stream and say hi and be like, I'm telling you otherwise. Ugh. Or I guess leave a comment in the YouTube video, that also works. So never mind, there's plenty you can do about it. Noticing a distinct lack of minigame barrel things. Or, you know, minigame areas. Now it wants me to go up, but okay, there's nothing down here. So I'll do what it says. So obedient little monkeys. Anything up? Secrets? No. At least you don't have to worry about there being like a secret, you know, wall to destroy, because you can't do that. Where are those barrels going, mister? Nowhere. Alright. Well, okay. Wow. Stop that. Whoa. You didn't stop that. Things get a little crazy. Oh, okay. Camera's gonna make me go down. Oh, I think there's a thing in here you have to... Yeah, I remember. Like the guy shoots a cannonball. Yeah, there's a arrow right there being like, go back. Yeah, there we go. A very, very slow cannonball. And you just gotta keep it on screen. Yay, we did it. Well, okay, we got there. We haven't actually... Ooh, gross. At least I got the, vertical stuff right, because obviously, you know, you touch the thorns, you lose. But if you can get it right on that really low spot, you can go straight across, and then you don't have to worry about jumping or anything like that. Now, is there a secret in here somewhere, or is it just a lot of angry bees? I think it's just that one. Well, that spot's safe. But over there... Let's get rid of all these guys. What am I taking over there? To just like follow this thing, which is now not slow because you can run. Collect the stars, all right. Get a little rare logo action. Hey, now we have enough to pay Clubber. Play him like a fool. No spiders. Yeah. So it's bunch of bananas, coin, little banana, DK gone. But, oop, I pressed the wrong button. Oh. And now I have to replay the entire level to get back there. Well, playing an N64 game on an Xbox Series X controller is not as good as I imagined. I mean, it sounds exactly as good as I'd imagine, which is terrible. Alright, okay, so... yeah. The GameCube controller, I mean, that could be fun, at least with that one, since it was more standard. I mean, the N64 controller was so weird with its tri-point design and stuff. Like, basically every other controller at least kind of, you know, fits the basic shape, and then N64 though is just like, it is its own thing. Yeah, but no, I wanted to buy your thing. Feast your eyes on my menu. Fiery furnace. I don't know what you said, but I'm sure it was greatly important. I am not... Ow, remembering this bonus, or, you know, special level. Like, I guess I vaguely remember that there was a volcano one, but I don't remember anything about it. Oh, I see. Now I am remembering it. Not just barrels that you control, not just barrels that you time and spin around, barrels that you fly around. Go. There we go. presumably we need to, you know, get all the barrels. It's not gonna let us just skip over. You know, I don't need the O. I'm gonna just leave it down there. It's like, oh no. You didn't risk one life just to get part of a single life. What are you doing? Cutting my losses and running. Boink, boink. What? Okay, how could the barrel destroy him and it still hurts? This must be the precursor from the rocket barrel stages. EK Country Returns. Or the precursor to Flappy Bird. I don't remember the rocket. Like, I've played Donkey Kong Country Returns once. I remember it was fun. Like, yeah, it doesn't have, you know, the same nostalgia feel the original game had, but I was actually pretty surprised for, like, a remake reboot. I liked it a lot. I never did get to Tropical Freeze. I should do that. But I don't remember the rocket barrel stages. I actually don't remember much about. Oh, hello. Did I need to go up there? Maybe. Just keep going. Uh-oh. Well, hopefully this is far enough. It's fine. Gee. I'm the Kug. You know, Donkey Kug. Famous cousin of the Danky King. Oh, there we go. I knew one of these cats, Cat o' Nine Tails, had a thing. Oh, thank you for the follow. Yeah, I was thinking about doing, because, you know, I've been thinking, like, well, you know, if I do Donkey Kong Country Returns, you know, it's not really Super Nintendo, so it doesn't fit that, but, like, but do I do it as a variety games thing? And I thought, you know, I'll just do it as one of my Super Nintendo streams. Like, no, it's not for the Super Nintendo, but, like, you know, it's in the spirit of it. It's like getting a glimpse into the future. Ah. Oh, wait. Oh, it makes you finish the stage? Well, we'll get back to the end again. At least on a replay, we can start select out. Also, thank you for commenting. I'm not sure anyone else has commented on Lock. I mean, I know some of the people who follow, they know who Lock is. They just didn't say anything about it. Bananas! Now I know to not be on the lookout until the very end, so... Perfect. What do a bunch of reptiles want with a bunch of golden bananas? Who knows? I mean, they try to get the regular bananas and then that didn't work, so... To finish up. Creepy Crow. Oh yeah, the ghost of the guy you already killed. Like, what, you thought I was gone? This game has ghosts, baby, I'm back. Yeah, I thought something happened if you... Ow, took a while. Nope, nope. Guess it'll be Diddy again for now. Okay, ghost, then. So now do you think this regular crow is like, is he looked upon favorably by all his ghost crow brethren, or is he kind of looked down upon? Like, is he like, wow, we have a living crow here too, that guy's so cool? Or is he more like, oh look, there's Mr. Alive with blood and skin crow. Way to not be spectral, skin crow. He's like, I'm doing my best, guys. Come on. Yeah. K rules keep the final section. Wow. I'll see how long it takes. This might be a very odd stream. Hello. Hey. So we've got... there's something here. Yes, I already knew there was something. And watch out! Ooh, secret. Collect the stars. Oh yeah, it's like, you know, obviously you don't have to get them all. It's just get as many as you can. Great seeing such skill in a platformer. Well, thank you. Granted. No. Ow. I have had this game for a very long time, so it's not like I'm without practice, per se. See a lot of kids today lacking in platformers. Well, I mean, it's true. Platformers are definitely not the staple of games that they used to be. I mean, you think about a lot of Nintendo games, like, you know, not every original Nintendo game was a platformer, but because you still had stuff, you know, like Zelda, Final Fantasy, and all that kind of stuff, but certainly a lot. And then, you know, Super Nintendo still kept with the trend of lots of platformers. Sega Genesis, you know, Sonic is their mascot, platformers. But not to say there aren't any, and of course there are definitely, like, you know, there's still games that, you know, if you want the harder experience, I mean, there's things like Celeste and the like that I haven't done, but not yet. That'd be a fun thing to do sometime, but when I was your age, I beat the Lost Levels on Game Boy Color. I remember playing Lost Levels on the Super Mario All-Star cartridge. That was a hard game. Granted, it was easier, I'm sure, than, you know, the original Mario 2, because... wouldn't be the... Yeah, we've definitely had the, have had that before in one of the Yoshi's Island streams, reminiscent about the old days of gaming. Said reminisce about the old days of being able to talk, right? But apparently that's yesterday. I can't do it anymore. Okay, we got that. Yeah, the Lost Levels, at least on, because the way for those who haven't played it, the Super Mario All-Star cartridge was kind of nice in that, if I recall correctly, like, you had continues, sort of. Like, if you died, you know, on world, like, you know, 7-3, you could start from 7-1. Like, if you lost all your lives. I think. I might be misremembering that. But that definitely made Lost Levels easier than it would have been if you had to restart the whole thing when you lost all your lives. But yeah, hey, you're on the right stream if you want to be like, back in my day. Come on, I've got gray in my beard. You can shake your hand, your fist at all the kids on your lawn. Okay, so I think we have to beat the entire game, including K. Rool, to get the last thing to get to the last bonus world, and that gets you to the final fight. So yes, I think that's how it goes. I see a banana. Okay, well, I was like, woo, bonus. It was a thing, just not as exciting as I would have hoped. Whoop. Despite what you said earlier, you like being a coach to newer gamers. Yeah, I mean, like, it's definitely fun when... Okay, you do your thing. I think you do... Oh, only twice, not 3. I mean, I definitely, you know, like... You know, seeing people game and... Even if they're doing their new stuff, it is fine. I mean, heck, that's one of the reasons that... Wait, you stopped, right? No, okay, gotta go. Tell people not to look at the controller or think of each letter or shape, just more or less, this button does this and these buttons do that. Yeah, I know that's one thing I probably should have been paying attention to the screen. Oh, I think I wanted to go that way. Okay, now we wanted to go left. Or, no, not yet. Whee. Oh, I forgot to get the K. Oh, well. What? Aha, that's what the... That's why you prefer PC games. You know where all the buttons are. Hey, whatever makes you happy. What the? Oh, it's a kill them all. I thought it was just get to the end. Whoops. Oh, excuse me, wind. Thank you. I mean, the point is, are you having fun? That's what counts. It's like, why are you gaming if not to have fun? Well, okay, I guess, like, you know, if you're a professional esport person and I hate what I'm doing and I hate everyone I'm doing it with, but it's making me a lot of money, then, you know, sure. But aside from that very, very small crowd, if you're not having fun, what are you doing? I don't trust that there's not something over here. Okay, I should have trusted. I should have trusted! I'm sorry, game. I should have trusted. Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I like doing this Super Nintendo series. Even though it kind of, I think, it's like, you know, the least amount of views of all the stuff I do. Well, A, because I find it fun, and, you know, who cares if it's not, you know... This isn't, like, a full-on job. I just do this for fun, so... Ah! But also because, like, going with the newer game stuff, like, for some people it's like, oh man, I haven't played this game in years, it's fun to see it again. And for other people who maybe, you know, they're younger and never played it, you know, maybe it'll get them interested and they'll be like, oh, hey, this looks cool. And maybe they'll check stuff out for themselves. Find something they wouldn't have known about otherwise. Or, you know, maybe they, you know, I'm sure they've heard about it, but like, I hear Donkey Kong Country 2 is just so great. And then, like, look and be like, wow, that does look like kind of fun platforming stuff. You would have been horrible at Until Dawn or any of those things with crazy fast skill checks on a controller. I mean, I'd be horrible at stuff like Until Dawn, because I don't do, like, horror games very well. I'd be like, no, I can't watch. And then, like, up skill check, and now that made things even worse. And, like, now I can't watch even more. So that's why I like streamers doing that stuff, because then I can watch them do it. You try and do it for fun in the social. Yeah, I mean, like, certainly, like, don't get me wrong, if it's like, all of a sudden tomorrow it's like, you have 1,000 new subscribers, I'd be like, okay. think it's just one of those things that's like, you know, like if it happens, it's great, but you can't go into it expecting like it being the only reason to do it. Because like if you're not having fun playing your games and sharing them, or you know, you're not having fun socializing with people, like if you're only streaming or YouTubing or whatever you know you do, just to be like, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna make it big, you're gonna be in for a world of hurt. Because that is not how it works. So, you know, it's something you can start doing for fun, and then if it gets even better, you know, more power to you. That was squawks. Well, I missed something, that's for sure. What? Hey! The game trolled me. I was like, there's this guy. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna pick up a barrel. And it's like, it's not a barrel, it's an enemy. I'm like, oh no, oh, don't worry, he won't kill you. And then he hits you into the end thing. All right, game, you've got me. All right, speed. Well, we're not speed running, speed glide. Competitive speed gliding. The new slow-paced sport. All right, so we need you to come out. Get rid of him. Go in there, and then we'll presumably get a squawks. We did, in fact, get a squawks. Oh, that's a very short time. Here I saw the brambles, and I was like, nice relaxing bonus game. And it's like, oh, by the way, you're almost done. Oh, yeah. Yeah, whatever. Kong College. Save the game. 80%. 33 out of, I think, 40 coins. We're getting there. Castle Crush. Oh, yeah, this one. I know I commented on one of the levels earlier, but it was not this one. It was the Rising Toxic Goo. But hey, for a great game that has an amazing soundtrack already, here's a new song for you. That timed out pretty well. I went like that. One of the guys got crushed off screen going, eh. Oh, did I need to dash into there? Uh-oh, which one? Sure, token. Sounds good. Yeah. Your mouth is no match for the power of rhinoceros in your face. Oh. That, you're gone too. Secret? Yeah, look secret-y. Guess it wasn't. I know there's somewhere you need to charge, I just don't remember where. It might have been the place we already passed. I'm gonna say it's on the conspicuous banana arrow wall. I don't know, you know, what gives me that impression. Just there's some little hunch that I've got. Woo. No Rambies allowed. Well, that's just rude. Like, we want some of this level to be kind of hard. Come on. But why? Now wait, do I have to go down here? I didn't have to, but I guess there was that. Hey, let me up. Let me up. Let me up. Okay, I knew there was a hidden wall on the left, but I kept jumping on the left wall, and you're probably like, why are you doing that? I don't remember where I'm going with squawks, but... They're rambists. They would be. First they go and steal other people's bananas, and they're saying no rhinos allowed. Gonna be rude to Randy, they're just... I mean, okay, to be fair, their leader is King Karul, so... I guess we should have expected as much. Like, why aren't you guys being nicer? Like, have you looked at our name at all? I thought that was just an affectation. Look. Onwards. And upwards to greater things. Which, I mean, the ending. Hey. No. Yeah, all right. Okay, now level, you're just taking a long time. We've already established that I know how to avoid the enemies. You don't need to just like, yeah, and here's a couple of slow-moving vultures. Yeah, here we go. Bees moving in shit patterns. Good dodging. Vultures, filler dodge. Ah, that guy. Ong. Donkey Kong and Diddy Ong. I mean, bees, you can fly. You don't have to stay here and get crushed. Like these other guys, yeah, they're gonna run into some problems, but you've got wings. What are you doing? My dudes, just leave. Do. Ha! I guess I lied earlier. I didn't do the head bobbing to his thing at every time, because that would not go well while I was drinking water. Did I get everything? Yeah. Well, playing an N64 game on an Xbox Series X controller is not as good as I imagined. I mean, it sounds exactly as good as I'd imagine, which is terrible.